In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share somebody's YouTube video in a community post on your YouTube channel. So first of all, I want to start off by saying obviously you need to be eligible to post community posts on your channel, and once you are eligible to do this, it is a really simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your YouTube channel. Once you open up YouTube, you'll be on your homepage here. So you need to find the video that you want to share to your subscribers in a community post. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll down and find a video. So if I scroll down a little bit more, for example here, if I wanted to share this video here from Sky Sports, all I would simply need to do is click on the three dots. Click on the three dots and then select share. Once you select share, as you can see at the top of this page, there is an option now for create post. Once you click on create post, what it will do is it will share the video in this section here, and you can go ahead and you can write a title or a caption. So I could put, for example, check out this video, and then you can change the privacy so you can have it public and to all channel members. And once you are happy with that, what you can do next is you can schedule this for a later date. So click on the clock icon. Once you click on the clock icon, you can now change the date by clicking on the drop down menu and then selecting whatever date you want and then clicking OK. You can then select the time by moving these dials around here, click OK, and then you can select also your time zone. Once you are happy with this, you can select done. Once you are selected done, you can now click on schedule in the top right hand corner, or if you don't want to schedule it for later, you can just click on post for posting it right now. So it's just simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.